Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee Kerala style, updated. Start by roasting or sourcing fresh Arabica beans, grind medium fine, and boil water to just under a rolling boil. Brew using a metal filter or cloth filter, and simmer gently to extract sweet, spicy notes and caramelized sugar flavors. Stir in condensed milk or sugar to taste, then pour and serve hot in small cups for an authentic Kerala experience. In this video, I will explain how to make coffee Kerala style, updated. Use a low simmer and a longer steep time to coax out the warm spice and caramel flavors unique to Kerala coffee. Pour a little hot water over grounds first to bloom, then add remaining water and maintain low heat. Strain carefully, avoiding overextraction, and finish with condensed milk or sugar as desired for a smooth, rich cup. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice that I keep in my ride for a fresh vibe on the way to coffee runs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy the scent while you brew at home. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make coffee Kerala style, updated. Balance sweetness with a spoonful of condensed milk or sugar to taste, and add a light pinch of cardamom for aromatic lift. Pour into small cups to concentrate the flavor and enjoy slowly to appreciate the layered profile. Offer alongside banana fritters or a simple snack for a classic Kerala pairing that invites conversation and comfort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.